Alive ticks, hopefully.
This is literally like Christmas round 2. My late present. That's what I wish for.
If I send you a picture, or you don't, that's great.
You put that on the website. All the students want for Christmas is their bug.
10. Number of items, 10. 10.
Only 10 ticks?
If they give us only 10, I could.
No, it's got to be like 10 vials of like
Oh, okay. That would
something
make
like that.
sense.
We'll
Okay,
see.
okay.
I mean, maybe there are just 10 really A+ good quality picks in there.
Grab it.
Grab it. The gift that keeps on
Oh,
giving.
what's in here?
Container.
They're just all chilling at the bottom.
Liquid nitrogen. Awesome.
They're liquid nitrogen?
Very
That was a
nicely packed.
joke.
I was like, holy fuck.
They have shipped before. You see that how people ship things, that they're on top of things. So now you should go in your bin.
Yeah.
Wonderful box.
Very exciting.
Take that over.
How do you lift this off?
Is it twist off?
Is it twist?
I think so. Every year for Christmas, my mom's
is
dad
so
would
safe.
send us a care package with like a fruitcake in it or something, and this reminds me of
Oh,
like,
yeah.
the whole family coming
A
around.
face full of ticks? I don't think it twists.
Pry it
No.
off.
I'm a little
There's a
scared.
latch. Try to pull on that latch. On the latch.
This guy?
Yeah.
Smash it.
Because that looks like a tightening ring.
Yeah, you've heard of child-proof. This is tick-proof.
I can't even open
Even
an
stronger.
Advil bottle on a good day. Like,
Let Adam help you. He is
I don't know if it's
Armstrong.
actually twist or pull, but
Just
it
rip
looks...
it open.
Oh, okay.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Now comes the big moment.
Oh, what a fancy container.
They're on ice. Oh my god.
Shh, they're sleeping.
Night, night. Good night.
It's coming to ship on ice. It keeps the temperature.
They're so small. They're so small.
We've got quite a few.
Are they alive?
See?
They better
More
be.
than 10?
Jeez.
Well, they're sleeping right now.
This is so exciting.
Very obviously.
Yes,
Oh my
10
God.
vials.
This is wonderful. We should ask her if we have to send this back.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I'm glad
They're,
it's
like, look, they
so
have no
many
air.
bags.
They have no air.
They're fine.
They're breathing.
Oh my god.
They look alive.
They look so cute.
Are there more than 10?
Oh
I
yeah.
think they
There's
are-
10 little vials, and there's like 2 or 3 in each.
Do you think they're alive?
I think there are more here. There are like probably 8 or 9 on top.
Now get your feet ready.
This one?
Oh my